Disclaimer muna tayo. Alam ko iniisip ng iba dyan pero this is not what you think it is. This is pure sweet treats. Actually, coated cereal siya kaya napakasarap talaga. Redefining the word PSG, pagkain sa garapon. So, what's up everyone? In this video, pinadalan tayo ng 1OZ ng napakalaking merch. Check it out. Tingnan natin kung anong laman. This first in the Philippines actually. Oh, magugustuhan nito lahat. Wow. This is creamy Nuggz na gawa ng 1OZ. And they're actually the first one to bake these goodies locally. At eto yung laman niya. Stickers, tapos din naman lahat ng flavors ng creamy Nuggz nandito. Packaging wise, visually appealing siya. Napakaganda tingnan. Paano pa kaya yung lasa? So itong creamy Nuggz, they have 5 flavors. Mukhang mainam lahat. Itong purple, this is the purple taro haze. Sarap na ito, promise. Lasang-lasa mo yung ube. Ito namang may blue and white, this is the Oreos. Sarap na ito, promise. Etong green naman na to, this is the OG matcha premium. Masarap siya pero hindi talaga ako fan ng matcha kaya kay misis mapupunta to. At etong isang green naman is the Girl Scout cookies. Uy, legit na cookies yung lasa. Masarap. And etong last one is yung strawberry shortcake. Masarap to. So personal favorite ko para sa mga flavors na nandito is yung purple taro haze, tapos itong strawberry shortcake, tsaka yung Oreos. You guys should try their product, promise. Masarap. You can reach them out on Facebook. It's 1OZ. And there you have it. Thank you so much 1OZ for this. And of course, thank you so much for watching. This is JB of Real Talk Media.